what you're thinking. Alex is actually on site doing a job. That's a rarity. Well, yeah, it is. But let me show you. These are the new lines we're putting in. Small parking spaces using a Titan line marking machine. So for this one, we're using a single part paint. Apologies if it's a little bit noisy with the engine. I'll talk about it in just a sec. We're using a single part product, and we're going to be spraying this in around 1500 PSI. We've got a slight blockage there. So this machine hasn't been run for a while. Just clear the blockage. A little bit of paint on my shoe. And of course, it needs a bit of a service, I think, really. Just coming out of storage for the winter, and yeah, it's spraying nicely now. You just get that slight little blockage every now and then on them. They can be little buggers sometimes, these machines. They need to be kept really, really clean and clear. I'm going to go over the start again just to make it a little bit wider so it all blends in really nice. So we'll pick that nice start point and blend it in. Nicely done. So there's only about 13 parking spaces on this one. It's not very big. Nice, easy little install. You'll see behind me we've got the Hammerjet dryer going. I've got some really exciting news on drying systems, and there's a brand new machine coming out. I can't give you a lot of detail on it yet because it's not actually released. What I can tell you is I was down in Kent yesterday to go and see it, and it's still in production, but it's exciting news. I'm going to go over that a little bit more, a little bit thicker on that, because not quite, that's what I want to see. Really nice thick line there. That's better.